Hi Emil.
Hi Marie.
If I want to start a travel through the WENZEL Measuring World, what would be the best way?
We can use this way. May the 4th be with you.
Seriously?
No, just kidding. Look Marie, the best is if we start on the ground. Here we can use the manually measurement with our MMA, the WENZEL Mobile Measuring Arm. Please come on and visit the first booth of our machine journey.
The MMA.
Mobile measuring arms from WENZEL are characterized by great flexibility, enabling use in the direct production environment and the measuring room. The measuring arm can be used directly on the component with optical and tactile sensors.
Okay, I see that our optical sensor MLS 100 is mounted here.
That's true. The MLS 100 with its wide laser line can also measure much larger parts than our example here, this one.
And what is such a typical application?
For example, a car door can be quickly measured with the MMA and the laser scanner. But see how fast we can the data on our component with the measuring solution. Marie, would you like to try it by yourself?
Sure.
Good, Marie.
Wow, that was super easy. And I'm sure we can also use the LS series with a WENZEL CMM?
Yes, we can. The MMA is a useful complement to your classical coordinating measuring system. You can use it with our measuring software WM Quadis, but also with our partner software like Polyworks or Metrologic. Come on and follow me to our next solution of our machine journey, the core machine, WENZEL's optical high-speed scanning system.
I know the core as a perfect solution for measuring blades or medical parts, or parts with polished, reflective surfaces and sharp edges.
That's a good keyword. We can use our example part to show how we can measure optically curves that are difficult to reach tactilely. And moreover, the core is very fast.
Okay, so let's measure with the speed of light.
By the way, with our core, we can also measure tactilely, which with our hybrid sensor. It combines the benefits of optical and tactile measurement technology.
And we can also measure roughness with the RSC sensor.
Yes, we will have a closer look at the RSC later. But next I want to show you the LS70 on our LHCMM. Here we are. The LS70 is particularly suitable for reverse engineering. In other words, the digitization of a part from which we have no CAD data. This is often used in prototype construction, design or mold and tool making.
So if we assume that we not have any CAD data of our component, we can simply generate the data with the LS70.
In combination with this solution, I also would like to mention our reverse engineering software, the PointMaster. It's a WENZEL software for handling of point clouds from 3D scanning probes and voxel data from computed tomography systems.
The LS70 can be used on every CMM from WENZEL and also with the measuring arm MMA. Emil, what is our next station?
Next we will measure again with our shop floor CMM, but now in the fast mode.
Regarding fast mode, you can find all our videos all in one as a webinar.
The SF55 is a CNC bridge measuring machine for use in the production environment. It can be equipped with both tactile and optical sensors. Due to its excellent price-performance ratio, it's a cost-effectively entry into the metrology.
You have mentioned the fast mode. What does this mean?
In fast mode, we can work at up to 3 times to the speed, depending on the measuring tasks. For use in the serial measurement, the machine achieves a multiple of the usual scanning speed. In comparator mode, with good repeatability values.
So, can you measure our part in fast mode?
Sure.
Not bad. A really fast and robust measuring solution for the shop floor area. Is this the largest machine that we have?
No, not at all. We have much more larger shop floor machines. But let me show you.
Emil, what about this machine with the integrated turntable?
The turntable is not included in our machine journey because not every part is for turntables. For this, the turntable is mostly for gears and prismatic parts.
Okay, but I know that any of our large range of LH CMMs can be configured as an LH with rotary table.
Right, there we have a special software for this machine, the WENZEL Gear Analyzer. It's a completely new software package for gears, because gears have a slightly more special requirements and a turntable can help there. Let's go. I will show you the shop floor machine 87 with the equator from Renisha. Imagine that a serial measurement would have to be carried out.
Well, using a caliper, the technician would have to measure the parts in the production for a whole week.
Yeah, Marie, I have the workpiece. It's faster to calibrate the component with the SF87 and then use the equator behind you for the serial measurement. That allows the technician to use his time for some other tasks.
That's a nice solution. The SF87 is the optimal CMM for the shop floor. It doesn't need compressed air, it has about 3 times the measuring volume of similar competitor machines, and it requires little space.
And you can also upgrade the system with a PH20 5-axis probe. Besides the SF87, it's also very well suited for the automation.
Like most of our measuring solutions. Now I want to see the RS horizontal arm machine.
Okay. So Marie, let me introduce our R series with a laser scanning sensor from our partner Nikon. Here at the RS you can see the guide elements attached on the base plate at the side. But we offer also machines where the guidance system is mounted at the floor level, the RA.
By using Nikon sensor on a WENZEL CMM, WENZEL provides its customers with an additional benefit. Due to the extended portfolio of optical sensor, the right sensor for each customer can be offered. Which characteristics of our component should we best measure or digitalize here?
Look what we have engraved here. Customized solutions for you.
Our component looks kind of lost on the machine.
Yes, the R-series offers maximum measuring volume for medium to large parts. You can have it also as a duplex system. The longest we have built so far is 56 meters long. The curvature of the Earth must be taken into account when adjusting the axis. The deviation of the curvature of the Earth compared to the straight line is already about 60 micrometers.
What? Wow!
Yeah, come on, Mary. We have to go. Now I will show you the latest CMM with the fastest tactile probe system on the market. This is our new coordinate measuring machine, SF1210. The measuring volume is enormous. 1.2 and 1 meter are available in width and height. The length can be varied from 1.5 to 2.5 meters.
This machine type is also especially developed for the shop floor, right?
Yes, that's right. You can measure directly in the production. That means to measure fast and highly accurate, to be flexible and space-saving. The robust design regarding vibrations and temperature sensitivity are further outstanding features of this CMM. And it has a good accessibility for automatic loading and unloading as well.
The reverse sensor is from Renishaw. It is a high-end solution for 5-axis scanning. This technology significantly increases the measurement throughput. It's possible to scan with 500 millimeters per second, which saves time and money.
Okay, let's measure. With the Revo and the SFP2, it is even possible to integrate roughness measurement into the measuring process of the CMM. And imagine, we at WENZEL even have an optical sensor for non-destructive roughness measurement, which I want to show you next. Come on. Marie, feel how rough the surface is.
Emil, that's not rough at all.
Let's measure the roughness with our nanostation. The sensor can measure all common roughness parameters with the right software. Here we measure in nanometer range. This is our standalone solution. But we can also integrate the roughness sensor on the core or on the LHCMM together with our measurement software.
That is really impressive. Now we have already seen many solutions. We have measured, digitalized and determined the roughness. What comes next?
The next thing we do is to look inside the component.
Okay.
With our computed tomography system EXACT-L. The WENZEL computed tomography system EXACT-L provides a non-destructive way to travel through our part. You may have heard of computed tomography from medical checkup. This could be used to give a quick diagnosis of a patient after an accident. The same technology can also be used by inspection of our workpiece.
WENZEL is offering a wide range of CTs, from small desktop system up to powerful universal ones, for parts up to 2 foot by 2 foot.
Yes, the CT-L is the second largest. It impressed with low maintenance and a high performance X-ray tube, combined with a fast detector. The design is compact and ergonomic, with low operating costs.
Great. Now let's look inside the part. Thanks, Emil. The machine journey was very interesting and shows that WENZEL has customized solutions.
You're welcome, Marie. And we also would like to welcome our visitors on the screen.
Please do not hesitate to contact us or visit us personally with your component for product demo. See you in Wiestal.